Why are people signing up financial freedom courses as if they are free? Check this video. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Garen's Talk Show. Please subscribe to my channel to be enlightened, enriched, and entertained. For subtitle, please click the subtitle button on YouTube. Today, we are going to talk about the dark truth and tricks of financial freedom courses in Singapore, while going through some of my personal experience. To avoid getting into trouble again, I will not disclose any names or company names and tweak my stories a little. If you think I'm implying somebody, that's your imagination. I hope you can take this video as a reference before you sign up any courses in the future. Multi-level marketing companies also promise you financial freedom. But today, we will be focusing on courses or seminars. There are many online and offline courses wanting to teach us how to invest, what to do, and who to learn from in order to have financial freedom. Who doesn't like to have financial freedom, right? During and after this COVID-19 pandemic, I strongly believe you will see different advertisements on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and other social media platforms, telling you how to earn 5 digits passive income a month, how to earn 4 digits income from e-commerce, road to financial freedom, value investing, property investment, and blah blah blah. There are countless coaches, gurus, and courses wanting to make me rich. Really, meh? Digital advertisement is definitely a devil. If you notice, social media platforms seem to know what we are interested in and looking for, and they will show you advertisement about that. Don't ever underestimate these advertisements like I did. I fell into it. As an ambitious young man who loves to think big and grow rich as soon as possible, I was little obsessed with earning fast and more a few years back. That's when the idea of passive income and financial freedom struck me. One lovely evening, I saw a Facebook advertisement saying, "Do you want to be financially free through online selling? Join our free seminar." Click, type in info, submit, done. Receive an email saying, "Congratulations, you have reserved a slot in our free seminar. One step closer to financial freedom." Everyone loves free things, but nothing comes free. This is a well-known and truthful statement. Is the seminar really free? Let me interpret it for you. Firstly, they will get your contact information, which is email address. What's that for? To build database. When they have new courses or products, they will send you an email. At the right time, you might read it and it strikes to your inner desire. You might buy it. Ka-ching! Data is the new gold. It's true. That's how these gurus and rich daddies get richer. I had actually attended not one, but 5 free courses back then. Honestly, I was seriously wanting to earn some passive income. I have this hope, and they sell me exactly this hope. Here is the second reason why they organize free seminar. It's an opportunity to upsell something to you. The most profitable thing. Your greatest hope. In some free seminars or courses, the speakers usually share how they will transform from being so broke to be so successful today. Their stories are terrific, and they are amazing storytellers. Fact tells, story sells. Why do they share this? To build credential and credibility. They can do it, so do you. In the free seminars, I learned a few simple tips. I believe this is to prevent the attendees from complaining, wasting their time. What we might not expect is the introduction of a magical course at the end of the free seminar. A much better way to have financial freedom. That's why, in technical terms, we call this free seminar or course a preview. Then here begins the upselling. Throughout the previews, you might hear energizing music, see energetic trainers, and feel electric atmosphere. They usually fill the seminars with music, dancing, and interaction to boost the energy in the room, screaming, high-fiving, and jumping. Then you will see the speaker with bottomless energy sharing his or her contents and constantly ask the audience to have interactions. Some of us will call this the rah-rah way. They say we need the energy to learn. Yes. In fact, they want us to be 100% engaged so that it's easier for them to persuade us to buy. The energy is influential and infectious. So do the buying vibes. Then the speakers will tactfully pull out a lot of figures of how much their students are earning, how simple it is with the template and structure they have, how much we can earn by applying those techniques in our lives. Back then, I remember I was imagining those figures in my bank account and praying the cost to be affordable. Then they play a video with a series of testimonials by their students, one after another praising how amazing the course is and how much benefits they have gained. Sitting among the audience, bingo, I am dead. In the previews, I really wanted to know how much it is. I remember clearly there's one seminar that tried to teach me how to earn millions. The speaker excitedly asked if he can share the price of the magical course. Let's call it Working No More. The participants were screaming, yes! Don't ask me if they were brainwashed. I think we were. He went ahead with $6,000 for the course. My jaw literally dropped. I couldn't afford at all. But the price includes personal email support, foolproof templates that you can apply straight away to earn, access to membership area, and many more. That's worth $2,000. It doesn't stop there. He continued, we have bonuses for you. You'll get a copy of my secret journals with many business ideas and 1 hour of personal coaching with me. That's worth $3,000. It just costs you $6,000 to have all the above. Not good enough? How about we give you a special discount? Yes or yes? Okay, the course now is $3,000 inclusive of all the perks and bonuses. Do you like it? The price is only available today. Don't miss the opportunity. It's only limited to first 100 sign up. Hurry up, register now. We accept credit card payments with 12 months installment. 100% money guarantee. If you think the course is not good, feel free to refund. You have minimal to lose. The scarcity triggers the sense of urgency, and the sense of urgency triggers the worst impulse purchase. Some people literally ran to sign up as if it's free. You may think I am exaggerating. It's true. Trust me. In this situation, the FOMO, fear of missing out, also causes people to make illogical decisions. And yeah, unfortunately, I also signed up a financial freedom course. Not that one. You may say I'm rich and stupid. I can only say they outsmarted me. You may find this sales process familiar. The big boys like THE, PJ, RK, and other gurus are using this template as well. Typical? Because it's proven. Else, how do you think these big gurus are staying in big houses and living a luxurious life? Thanks to you and me. So if you have a success story in any area, boast about it. Design a program. Advertise to lure people in. Throw a free preview. Sell the hope in the preview. Upsell them. Price it high, then sell it low. Close your sales. Who knows, you will be the next guru. You might be curious if my bank account is filled with money. Sorry to disappoint you. I earn nothing from the techniques I've learned. Reason being, the templates and techniques are a little bit outdated. Did I learn something? Yes. Is the cost worth it? No. Then can I blame them? No. The first thing the trainer taught, in order to succeed, you must have the never give up spirit. Give your neighbor a high five and say never give up. It's repeated over and over again throughout the course. These are called conditions. Since I gave up after 6 months of trying, I can't hold them accountable. I stopped because it took money to earn passive income. Since I was getting nothing, I didn't want to burn more money. On the other hand, I still believe some people really make it laugh. Perhaps I should blame myself for not being smart enough. If you have similar experience, please feel free to share with me in the comment below. And if you have attended any courses and you were benefited by it, share in the comment as well. Come to think about it, if the techniques of all gurus are so fantastic, why are they teaching their students? They should sit back, relax, and count cash. Does it mean teaching is earning more money than applying the techniques they are preaching? This is a food for thought. I'm not sharing this to say all financial freedom courses are waste of money and time. Some of my friends are benefited by the courses they attended too. I'm just sharing this and my personal experience to remind you to do more research and make a clear-headed decision before you spend your hard-earned money. Unless you're damn rich. No worry. Please spend the money on me to train you as well. Secret: if you can't find a negative reviews of the courses you want to attend, perhaps they will down. Secret number 2: if you really think the course is not helpful, please be thick-faced and activate the money guarantee. High living costs, false hope to get rich fast, and severe competition in Singapore really make us become vulnerable to these hope-selling gurus, isn't it? Share this video with your friend if you think this is a good reminder. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Hope we can really grow rich together one day.